Hello, welcome to the course Python Programming for Beginners. As part of Matplotlib, we will continue the next concept related to Matplotlib library, styling artists. Okay, how to define styling artists while plotting? Most plotting methods have styling options for the artist, which are accessible either when your plotting method is called or from a setter on the artist. So in the following plot, we will set manually color, line width, and line style of the artist created by plot. And we set line style of the second line after the fact with set underscore line style. So manually, you can set using the following program. Here first you are defining plot from pyplot, then you are defining data1, data2, data3, data4 with random number generation 4 to 100 string. Then we are defining figure comma axis equal to plot dot subplots. We are defining the figure size 5 comma 2.7. Then you are defining x value equal to np dot a range of length of data1. Then you are doing the plotting ax dot plot with data x using cumulative sum of data1 np dot sum. We are making its plot color is blue color. Then line width we are setting 3 points. Line style dash line we are defining. This is the plot one. Then second plot we are defining it as L ax dot plot x comma np dot cumulative sum of data 2 we are taking. Their color equal to orange. Then line width 2. Line style not defined here. Then line style separately we are setting colon. The graph with these dot dots. L dot set underscore line style. This is the second plot. Now let us see the output of this program by using plot.show. Here you can see. Here this is the orange. This is the blue. Orange style what we have taken. Hope I can check. So your line style equal to this one. Then blue what you have taken dot dot colon. Here you can see line width equal to 2, a line width equal to 3. See, the first one is blue. Blue is what you can dash dash. Then this one is dot dot actually. Here width we already set 3. Here you can see width 3. Here width 2 points. What we set. Here it is 3 points. So like that manually set line, style, color, width. So as part of artist. Artist means this plots. These plots will call it as artist. We can set all this manually. This is the program. Let us run this program and check the output. This is the code what we demonstrated. Let us open your Python ideal. So first we have to import pyplot. We are creating object plt. Then define the data with the random numbers 4 to 100 range. Here we are getting error C. Here we defined NP. But for NP, you have to import NumPy. import numpy as np. Now we can define data. Now we can see. Now there is no error. The data is generated. Now define figure with subplot with the size of the graph 5 height 2.7 width. Then define x value from the data 1 of the length. Then define the first plot by taking cumulative sum of data 1. Its color is blue, line width is 3, line style is dash dash. Dash line. You are defining another plot. Let us assume L. Same cumulative sum of data 2, color equal to orange, line width equal to 2 points. Now line style, we are making colon. Now see the plot. plt.show. This is the output. Here you can see. The second one, orange, we have taken colon. See, the artist line filled with colons. Then the blue color first one filled with dash dash, width is 3 points. Blue color. Orange is width is 2 points. Style is colon. This is the output. Like that, manually you can set artist style with color. Okay, now here see some more examples with combination of colors. Matplotlib has a very flexible array of colors that are accepted for most of the artists. Some artists will take multiple colors also. For example, the following scatter plot, the edge of the markers can be different colors from the interior. So now this one, this is the edge. Now this is the interior. So both different colors. Let us see the following program with a scatter plot combination. Now this is the code. So first we have to import Matplotlib, then data 1, 2, 3, 4. Already we have used. Figure comma ax equal to plot dot subplot. Figure size already there. Then we are taking scatter. Ax dot scatter with data 1, data 2, s equal to 50, face color equal to CO, edge color equal to K. These are all the color codes. Then after executing this program, you can see the plot by using plot.show. Here you can see edge color is black, then interior color is blue. See all the scatter bubbles. Here you can see. Let us run this program. Multiple colors. For scatter plot, the edge of the markers can different colors from the interior. So here, previous program, we are already having all this. Whichever the new that you can take. You are defining scatter plot. Then simply plot.show. Think here some of the things are missed. Data one already there. Figure comma ax is also there. No? Then data one earlier we already defined. If you want, you can do another. Then plot.show. Yeah, this is going to maximize and check. Here you can see border color is different and interior color is different. This also manually you can set. This is the plot of scatter plot type. That is about color related. Then again you can, let us see, here we used line width, line style and marker sizes. So what are line widths? Line widths are typically in typographic points. 1 point equal to 1 by 72 inch and available for artists that have stroke lines. Similarly, stroke lines can have line style. Marker size depends on the method being used. Here, plot specifies marker size in points and is generally the diameter or width of that marker. Scatter specifies marker size as approximately proportional to the visible area of the marker. There is an array of marker styles available as string codes, or users can define their own marker styles. These are the various parameters available here under styling artist. The following program, let us see, with all possibilities are used here, with combination of line width, line style and marker sizes. First we are importing plot, defining data 1, 2, 3, 4 with NP random number 4 to 100. Then defining the first the plot size, figure comma a is equal to plot dot subplots, figure size equal to 5,2.7. The first plot ax dot plot of from data 1 with type O, label equal to data 1. Then a second plot ax dot plot of data 2, the type D, label equal to data 2. Here O means oval, D means diagonal. Then ax dot plot of data 3 V, label equal to data 3. This is triangle type. Then ax dot plot of data 4 equal to S, label equal to data 4. This is square type. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 types of plots are defined here. Then call the legend to discriminate ax dot legend. Then plot dot show. Here you can see the data 1. This is data 1 circle. Data 2, this is diamond. Data 3, this is triangle. Data 4, this is square. So circle we have used the code O. Then for diamond we use D. For triangle, what we used? For triangle we used V. Then for square we used S. These are all label codes. These are the standard defined codes used here. Now you can see the colors also. Default it discriminates by taking the colors. Here you can see all are with different colors. Oval, this is blue. Diamond, this is orange. Then triangle is green. Square is red. It filled with the colors, system defined colors. So this is one of the example of plot with different combinations, line width, line style, and marker sizes, etc. with all possibilities. Let us run this program. For a data analysis, to discriminate data with the different separations, these type of graphs are very much useful. So here again you can defining the data. Data 1 to then figure Because earlier data used for the previous programs. So separately again you can redo. Then first we are defining the plot with oval, with the data 1. Then second one with diamond, the label is D. Then third one with triangle. Then fourth one with square. So these are all the artist styles. So whenever different plots are there, for that you can call legend to discriminate all the plots. Then plot.show. Here you can see. This is the output what we have explained. This is the maximized graph. Data 1 is circle. Data 2 is diamond symbol. Data 3 is triangle symbol. Data 4 is square symbol with different colors. So as part of artist, you can define our own styles also. Okay, that's all about styling artists. In next lecture, we'll come up with other interesting topics related to Matplotlib. Till then, stay tuned for latest updates.